What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to set a custom ringtone on your iPhone using GarageBand. With GarageBand, you can create a ringtone from an audio file, a song from your Apple Music library, or even a track you've created yourself. If you don't have GarageBand on your iPhone yet, head over to the App Store and download it first. Once you have GarageBand installed, go to your home screen and touch and hold the GarageBand app icon until a menu appears. Then, tap on Create New Audio Recording. When GarageBand opens, look to the top of the screen and tap the Tracks option. After that, tap the instrument icon on the left side of the screen to select your track, and then tap the Loops Browser button at the top to browse for the audio file or song you'd like to use. If you want to use an audio file that is stored on your device or in iCloud, tap Files, then tap Browse Items from the Files app. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a song from your Apple Music library, tap Music to locate the file. Keep in mind that the song must be downloaded to your iPhone for it to work. If the file appears dimmed, it might be protected or not downloaded, and in that case you won't be able to use it for your ringtone. Once you've found the file you want, touch and hold it, and then drag it all the way to the left in the tracks view. If you only want a specific section of the song for your ringtone, remember, ringtones can be up to 30 seconds long. Tap the audio file in the tracks view, and then drag either the left or right edge of the frame to trim the section you want. For more precise editing, touch and hold either edge to zoom in. When you're satisfied with the section, drag the entire region all the way to the left so that there's no blank space before the audio clip. Next, tap the Navigation button. Then tap My Songs to save your project. In the My Songs browser, tap the More button, tap Select, and choose the song you just created. Then, tap the Share button and select Ringtone. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new ringtone. Do so, and then tap Export. If your ringtone is longer than 30 seconds, you'll have the option to tap Continue to let GarageBand automatically shorten it to the appropriate length. Or you can tap Cancel to return and adjust the duration manually. Remember, you can also create your own song to use as a ringtone by recording with GarageBand. You can play built-in touch instruments like pianos and synthesizers, add pre-recorded beats and background parts using Apple Loops, or even record yourself singing or playing an instrument. Lastly, head to your Settings app. Here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics, and then tap on Ringtone. Your newly exported ringtone will show up here. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.